Hello, this is 2MD, and today in this video we're gonna solve this problem that you're seeing on my screen. So your Xampp, the MySQL server, as you can see, is not running. It's not running. You can start it, but after a while it's gonna stop automatically and saying that you have problem. The port that MySQL is using is blocked. This is the error that you get. And in the other hand, the Apache server is working very well. You can see that it is running the Apache server, but the MySQL server is a problem. If you are having this problem, keep watching this video. We're gonna solve it. We're gonna show you how to solve it just after the intro. Hey, welcome back. So how to fix this problem? So you have to go to the task manager. Okay, I'm sorry for my laptop is in French because I am not an English native English speaker. My country we speak French. So you go to the task manager. You have to write task manager. Okay? Task manager here in the search bar of the Windows. Okay, you have to write task manager, and you're gonna see it. But for me, I'm gonna write gestionnaire des tâches because my laptop is in French. I'm a French guy. So I click onto it, then the program is running. And what are you gonna do after? I'm gonna repeat. The first thing you do is to open the program task manager. Okay. What is the second step? The second step is to search for the process. Everything which you see MySQL, stop it. Like this is easy. This is very easy. I see MySQL here. I click it. This is a process, and you click in this button. It should show end the task. Okay, you click it and it end the task. Okay, I'm not seeing no more MySQL process. Okay. I'm not seeing no more MySQL. I didn't say SQL, so I didn't say SQL. I said MySQL. Okay, I don't see any MySQL server, any MySQL process right now. Okay, no MySQL process right now. It's done. So the second step is to end every task that you see MySQL. Okay, and it's done. So now I can close the program task manager. So what I need to do next? The next step is to restart the MySQL server. And you're gonna see, guys, it's gonna work. Our problem is solved now. You see, it's running. My MySQL server is running via the Xampp control panel. You see that Apache is running, it's green, MySQL is green, and it's still not stopping. Okay, it's not stopping, guys. You can see, let's go to the panel, to the dashboard, I mean. the dashboard of MySQL. Just click on the admin link. Okay, it's gonna take you onto the dashboard of your MySQL server. Sorry, my laptop is a little bit slow, running very slow. All right, you see, this is a dashboard of the MySQL server. Okay, it's a dashboard is named PHP MyAdmin, and as you can see, I'm gonna show you Xampp control panel. You see everything is running right, it's running well, everything is green. All right, your problem is fixed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm sorry for the language, you know, if I do if I do make mistakes when I'm talking, because I'm just understand that I'm not a native English speaker. All right, sorry for my language. See you later, guys, for another tutorial.